Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has literally been 6 months since I posted anything on here, but I figured, first of all, I do want to be better about posting on here. I actually love watching YouTube videos, creating YouTube videos, but I want to do it more, especially because TikTok is banned, was banned, is back, could be banned again, I don't really know. But I love filming YouTube videos and I love editing them, and I just genuinely don't make enough time to do that in my schedule, which is silly. But if you know me, you know I'm kind of an OG Instagram girl. Like, I started on Instagram, I didn't really start on YouTube, and Instagram, TikTok, short format videos have kind of been my thing, and that's what I love to do. But I also love to do this, I just don't make the time. So today we're making the time. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you know that I've been posting cute little videos called Nights In with Natalie, and basically we're gonna do a long format version of that tonight, and I'll actually walk you through my routine instead of just, you know, a 40-second video. We'll like chat and have a little girls' night together. So it's about 6, almost 7 o'clock, and I haven't made dinner yet. I'm going to make truffle gnocchi. I posted on my Instagram on New Year's Eve that I made truffle gnocchi by myself and for myself because Tyler, my husband, was super sick, and I was so sad I didn't get to try it because it was just amazing. So I'm gonna make some of that for me tonight, and I'm thinking about watching It Ends With Us, which I'm like, I don't even know if I want to do, but I started reading the book like months ago. I couldn't really get into it, but then, you know, the movie came out and I was like, I can't watch the movie without seeing the book. Like, I want to read the book first. So I kind of fell off, and then all the drama started coming out about Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni, and I'm just like in such a deep rabbit hole about all that stuff because I've liked both of them as actors, so it's just like mind-blowing that this is all happening and coming to light. So I think that's what I'm gonna do tonight. And also I will show you, or I'll put the truffle gnocchi recipe in the description. And yeah, let's just get started because I'm hungry.
Yes, chef.
Okay, so right now I'm sauteing some mushrooms. I sound like such a chef. Okay, sauteing some mushrooms. And then I have the truffle sauce going. I don't know if you can really see, but you want it to be a little bit of a thick consistency. I do have a recipe that I saved from Pinterest and I'm reading off of it, but I kind of like more garlic. I have, this recipe also doesn't call for truffle oil, and I have the truffle oil, so I put a little bit of that in. And I don't put too much because truffle is obviously very overpowering sometimes, so I have the truffle salt as well, and whenever I think it's done and I still want more of the truffle taste, I'll just add some salt at the end. And then this is the gnocchi I got. It's just, it's upside down, but it's just the cauliflower gnocchi from for Trader Joe's. To crack open a cold one. This is my favorite flavor, Olipop. If you ever discontinue cream soda, I will be so upset. You know what? The plating, the plating of this is really bad, but I promise you, like, it tastes amazing. I'm going to add the littlest bit of truffle salt on top of everything. Okay, time for the taste test. It's really hot. The presentation, I give it a 4 out of 10, maybe. Taste, 11 out of 10. And this literally tastes like I could have gotten it in Italy. I just finished the movie, and wow is all I really have to say. Obviously, knowing everything that we know now about, you know, all the drama that's coming out with Blake and Justin and like who wrote what scenes, and I don't know, I just feel like because we have some insider information on why some scenes were the way they are, I did look at them differently. And her wardrobe, like I know she didn't really go into detail in the book, I feel like, about what Lily wore that often, but I know that was a big deal. Like Blake Lively wanted to wear like a lot of her own clothes, and the only opinion I have on that really is just like she was not dressed how I expected her to. That's pretty much all I'll say on that. It was just not what I was expecting. Just cleansed my skin with the Clear Stem Gentle Clean Cleanser. I've been using this for about 6-7 months now, and I love it. I did double cleanse because I was wearing makeup. Typically, I use micellar water to remove my makeup, and then I'll only just cleanse with this once, but I'm out of micellar water. I also have this lovely little friend on my chin, and I'm gonna go in with the Clear Stem Bounce Back Serum. I just feel like this serum always provides that extra boost of moisture and provides such a nice glow on the skin, especially in the winter when it's literally -1 degrees outside. Then I like to put on this Tula 24/7 Power Swipe Hydrating Day and Night Eye Balm. I do feel like when I use this, my under eyes look a little brighter. I'm going to seal everything in with the Hydra Berry Moisture Mask, also from Clear Stem, of course. Fun fact, I didn't even tell Instagram world or TikTok this, but my bags, so last weekend we were in Pittsburgh for my sister-in-law's 21st birthday. When we came home, we couldn't find our bags. We checked in, so our flight was pretty delayed. It was delayed almost 2 hours from Pittsburgh. We got to the airport kind of not late, but I'm sure other people who were on our flight were probably there a lot earlier than us, just because maybe they got there at the original time and then we're just stuck at the airport. I don't know. So we got there kind of late. We were probably one of the last passengers on our plane to arrive, and I think that's why, I'm assuming that's why our bags didn't make it onto our plane. But when we got to Chicago, we were like waiting at the baggage claim, and there was only one other person there waiting with us, and we were just like looking around. Everybody had grabbed their bags. Our bags were definitely not there. And so we had to like obviously file a complaint, and they told us that the bags never left Pittsburgh, so they were still in Pittsburgh International Airport, which is amazing because we thought for sure that they lost it. But anyway, all my skincare, my precious Clear Stem skincare, and all my makeup actually was also in those bags. Never lost a bag before. I need to honestly knock on wood so that that never happens again. Okay, to finish off the night, I'm going to use my DMH Aesthetics Blue Light LED mask. The blue light is specifically anti-acne, and as you can see, I'm breaking out a teensy bit, 1000%, because I'm about to start my period. Hopefully this will help me. Oh, she's dead. I guess I'm not using this. I need to find this charger. Oh my gosh. The last step in my nighttime routine is oiling my hair. Actually, really need to wash my hair. What is this? I really need to wash my hair, but I have to shoot an outfit tomorrow, and the outfit just looks better with a slick back bun. So we're going to do a slick back bun tomorrow, and then we will do a full hair wash day because I'm not about to do it tonight. My hair looks absolutely crazy right now, and honestly, even though I just got a haircut, I feel like wearing it in a slick back bun sometimes makes the ends a little rough. So I'm definitely going to focus the oil on my ends. I'm of course using my friend Amy's hair oil. It's called Mish Mish. It's an apricot and date oil. Amy has very stunning thick curly hair, so she uses probably more than I do, but I only use like about 1 to 2 drops, maybe actually like 2 to 3. And I swear to you, I've been using it now for a couple months, and every time I have gone to the hairdresser, my stylist is like, your hair looks so healthy, like genuinely so healthy. And I use heat on it a lot. I'm actually gonna add a couple more drops because my right side is thicker and sometimes it needs more love. I swear by this stuff, and it smells amazing. Amy, if you're watching, 10 out of 10. Hey guys, I'm about to head to bed, but look, I wanted to say hi. Before I do, I wanted to tell you also about this lip mask that I've been loving. It's from Typology, and it is insane. Like, my lips typically get so cracked, especially during the winter, and this has been actually saving me. So I will link it in the description. Burton and I just wanted to say good night. Thank you guys so much for watching this night in with Natalie, and I hope you have a great rest of your night. I will see you in the next vlog, or the next night in with Natalie, or the next styling video. I don't really know what I'm gonna post next, so anyway, love you guys. See you in the next video.